Hello and welcome back to part 3, fitting a bell thruster. So I believe now what's happening is the lads are going to run the cable that goes from the bell thruster.
Yeah, that's a female on the bow thruster, so you want the male that end.
And it's going to go through the boat to the controls at the front.
Right. Okay, so we've got to get it through there as well, haven't we? Yeah. Do you want me to go into the Yeah. No. Yeah, that's through.
Hang on, Lee.
It's in the tube.
Yeah, that should do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pull him out. Another one coming through.
Positive.
Hang on, let me have a bit of that back a bit. So you're going to need to give him a bit of a wriggle.
If you put it down the right hand side, I've moved it to the left.
Yeah, okay, don't. I've got both of mine up through, but. Got it? Hang on then.
Yeah.
Pull him through.
Yeah.
Bit more. Hang on, let me pull one back and one forward. Right, now pull them both through. There you go. That's them. The cub.
So we want to come down there somewhere, don't we?
Yeah, we got to come down there. I think we've just gone over the top of there.
Yeah.
Why put that one like that? Try not to tie a knot in it.
Hang on, because you're going to have it over the top of there if you do it that way.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, so.
That's so tricky.
Right there. 2 screws.
Actually, you have to be careful because there's a screw there.
Yeah, I see him there. Yeah. Right, if I feed him through, do you want to draw him? Which one is it? That one, right? Right, okay. That's nice to have this sort of cable because mine was just a loose tube.
How was it?
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. Turn up right up through the bolt so I can get this twist out of this cable.
Oh, okay.
These all rolling.
The big one or?
No,
the small one. Through the bulkhead?
Yeah. Well, Dave just went through that quite easily.
Yeah, but he's had to remove the cable, pipes to do it.
Oh.
Right, okay, Lee. Coming through?
Yeah,
Got it?
yeah.
Good. Lovely.
All done. I'm back on. Ready for me to come out with a hoover. You're going through that big hole there next to... Yeah. Don't know if you can see with a...
Is that all the cable, Dave? Oh, I've got a load here. Right, I'll do that when I get in.
Can I do anything?
That cable,
Yeah.
can you just make sure it's free to run through? Is that it?
That's it.
Right, that's enough.
Did you just do my bottom?
No, I didn't actually do that.
Did you actually do any then?
Yeah, it's video, isn't it? Is it?
Oh, yeah, it's still videoing.
Hello, how can I help you? Going down?
Well, I was in the back room and all I could hear was, yeah, that's right, pull. That's it, no, pull. I thought, right,
Oh,
all out there.
that's Dave's impression of me. Here he goes, look.
No, I thought he was going to...
Yeah, I did. Right, so we've got the cable here.
Yep. So that one there needs to go... Yeah, and that'll go up there then.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and that'll be...
And then I can go straight up there.
They're going to get smashed about, is it?
How did we fit that one last time?
All back.
Oh, brilliant.
He's done it.
All done, mate.
Should we put the steps back then?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
then I'll carry on clearing up.
Yep.
You okay? Voila, he said. So you got enough there now?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
We've done that 10.
Okay, so the stairs are back in.
Just check it on my app.
This part of the job is all finished now. So stop it. So Lee's just checking his app to see if it's all coming up on his app.
84% on the batteries.
Oh.
See what it says on here now. Absorption charge. Batteries charging at constant voltage.
So, great. Updates.
Why is
Is
it
it
doing
charging?
that again then?
What's that?
Battery.
It's
Batteries
doing that.
charging at constant voltage and will decrease current unit with decreasing current until the battery is full.
That's so it's on float.
So I'll
It's
just
coming
let it
up the
keep
float.
going.
Yeah, we just keep...
So we'll finish. Doors back on.
Lovely.
Now up to the other end.
Great.
Going through that screw and marking that up there, yeah?
Right.
So that's what it starts to do.
Is that the right way for the
That's
control?
that. No. Well, that's there, right? And I'll spin it around like that,
Yeah.
and then eye that up again
Oh, I see.
from there to the front, yeah?
Yeah.
And then mark it where that screw is there, right?
Yeah.
I'll drop that down like that. That one on like that. I'll square a line across there and re-square it. Come on, sit flat here, boy.
The trouble is that.
So then I'll square it back there, right?
Yeah.
Square it back there again. So it's in that line there. I think it'd be better to do it like that. That's the trouble with this shot.
Oh.
A bit further out, really. There he is there. So that marks a spot there.
Cutting.
Alright. Okay. That's the lines there.
Yeah.
That'll be the centre there. It's probably good for me.
Yeah. What do you think from the top?
Yeah, it looks right to me.
Just thinking of this front edge.
Yeah, no, that's good.
You happy with that?
Well, that'll be the front edge there. What do you reckon?
What do you think, Al? I'm not very good at.
That's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You reckon that's...
Thank you.
Yeah, screw there. It's a bit deceiving because that's blue and that's not.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's all right.
that's
Isn't it?
all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Mind you, that's dropping off there, isn't it, that metalwork? It sort of like slopes down here.
Yeah, but that should be alright. I think we've got enough.
WD-40 there, isn't it?
Yeah, hang on.
Right, that's that one joined up. That one goes in like that. Like that. Oh, shit. Get some
It's all in there now.
Seat flex all around the edges with a black seat flex.
Yeah, because that looks
Yeah.
Yeah.
One pair for 35 quid.
What's your shoes, Dave? Oh, God.
That's the arm coat. We're on painting.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, we're on painting. I knew down and the arms are ripped open.
red oxide.
Oh, I
Please.
took it back inside. Okay, I'll go and get it.
So that's the completion of the bow thruster electrics. So from the earlier ones, you know that we did all the battery side of stuff, and we've just fitted the cable for the control panel, which is behind Al now. So that's all been done. So we're all set, all finished with that. So all that's left to do on the bow thruster side is cutting the bow thruster tube and fitting the actual bow thruster onto the tube. And
Which
then,
somebody else is going to do.
yeah, and then that'll be just connected up
Yeah.
to the main bits of electric. This was all done. So yeah, so that's it for that. So thank you for watching that.
See you next time.
See ya.